Alright, yikes. Now this is a big looking one. But really all we do is just do all the same steps that we did before. So first I'm going to distribute, then combine like terms on each side, and then move the numbers to one side and the variables to the other. Notice how I had a game plan before I started this. That's very important to, when you see a problem, try to develop a game plan before you even start solving. Otherwise you might just jump right into it and waste a lot of time doing the wrong thing. So I distribute here, I get 6p plus 18 minus 18 here, and then distribute the 3 here, and I get 3p minus 3 minus 4p plus 14. So sweet, the 18 minus 18 cancels and gives me a 6p over here. The 3p and the negative 4p are like terms, so that's minus a p. And then the negative 3 and the 14 are like terms, so that gives me a plus 11. Now I'm going to add the p to both sides, and I get 7p equals 11. Divide both sides by 7, it gives me p equals 11 sevenths. There we go. This one, solve for y. That tells us, when it says solve for y, we want that y equals whatever equation. Kind of like what we were doing in the current chapter. So what I'm going to do is minus the 8x, and that gives me negative 5y equals negative 8x minus 15. Now since they're all negative, I can multiply both sides by a negative 1, just because I don't like having extra negatives if I don't need it. So that's 5y equals 8x plus 15. Now divide by 5, and that's sufficient. You can write it as y equals 8x plus 15 over 5. Alright, that's an acceptable answer. You could also write it as y equals 8x divided by 5 plus 15 over 5, which would simplify to y equals 8 over 5x plus 3. Either one of those are acceptable, correct answers. If you're going to do this, though, make sure you completely simplify. The perimeter is when you add up all the sides. So that means if we add 4x plus x plus 4 plus 10x minus 1, that should equal the perimeter, which is 39. So let's solve for x. Combining like terms, I get 5x plus 4. I got to distribute this 10 before I combine it with anything. So it's plus 10x minus 10. So that gives me 15x minus 6 equals 39. Now I just simply add 6 to both sides. Gives me 15x equals 45. If you divide both sides by 15, divide both sides by 15, gives you x equals 3. Alright, let's just double check and see if that works. 3 plus 4 is 7. 4 times 3 is 12. 3 minus 1 is 2. 10 times 2 is 20. So when we add them up, 20, 32, 39. That works.